Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And this is Mask Monday. Welcome to Mask Monday. I hope that y'all are doing something to take care of yourself today, or at least one day this week. Pick a day, any day, and just take 20 or 30 minutes for yourself, whether, to do some skincare or something would be great. I got this adorable mask from one of my subscribers, Lori Daniel. So I'm going to put that on, and it looks like it's a character mask. It is, I could not find a brand for it. I don't see a brand name. It says Smoothing Retinol. So we're going to try it. It's just super cute winter mask. So I'm going to get that started, and I'm going to announce the winners. Sometimes when you're supposed to pull, I just can't do it. I'll have to use a scissor, but I want to be careful not to cut the mask. So squeeze it on down a little bit. I'm going to announce the winner from my Mask Monday that I did on the first Mask Monday of the year with Kim's A Little of a Lot and Kim's Happy Place and Tea Time Adventure. And we did that Tea Time Adventures. I'm sorry, T. These are three lovely ladies that I love doing collabs with, and they're just super nice ladies. They have unboxing channels. They do other things as well, just like me. And this does not have a scent. We did a 111 Skin mask, and this is gonna be cute, y'all, when I get it undone. So I'm gonna announce the winner for that, and then I don't really have all that much today. So let's just see. Now, I know a lot of people are off today because it's a holiday, a federal holiday, Martin Luther King Day. I am not off for the holiday, but I am off because the insurance man is coming to my house, the adjuster, or whatever you call him. It's not inspector, I forget what it's called. This is super cute. Thank you, Lori Daniel. Lori is a great subscriber. She watches all my videos and she comments quite a bit. She's a very good friend. And whoops, I might have that. I have that a little high, but it seems like I need some more down here. But if I go too low, then the eye holes are a little too low. But anyway, it's cute. Thank you, Lori. A snowman. Okay, so oh, what do they call that guy? How can I not think of it? I don't know. Anyway, the guy that comes and sees the damage to my house from the storm and then tells me what to do, okay? So anyway, all right, I'm trying to do this, and I do have a mirror over here. I probably should look in the mirror. Oh, the nose is wackadoodle. Well, yeah, these eye holes are weird, y'all. See, this is up too high, but it's on. So that's the most important thing. I've got a lot of good essence. See, it doesn't cover my face. Oh, that's so funny. But it's still cute. It's still cute. So it looks like the snowman. It looks like him. And it's got retinol. So the essence will help me. Okay. Whew. All right, let me take a breath. So how are y'all today? Did y'all have a good weekend? I hope if you're off today that you're enjoying your day off. And like I said, taking a little time for yourself, doing a little skincare or something like that. I opened my Boxycharm. I think I showed that on Saturday, and I was so excited because it was a fantastic box. I forgot to tell you the price of my palette that I got. This palette, the Wander Beauty Sweet Escape. Gorgeous, gorgeous palette. I did swatch it and everything. It has a nice magnet closure. It has a mirror. It's stunning. I love it. Look at maybe you can see some of the shifting in there. This color looks like it might be black, but it shifts. It's like a dark brown with some purple. And then if you can see that shifting over there. And this glitter, this is more like a glitter, and that shifts with some purple in there. They're just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I love it. $42 is the value of this. So You know, some palettes are very high priced. So the winner of my giveaway, which was it 5 sheet masks? Or 5 masks. I had some eye masks in there, and then I also had the warming eye mask. The winner is Janelle. Janelle is Janelle Naylor Beauty in Blindness. Janelle has a channel, and if y'all don't know her, she started her channel just a few months ago, and I'll put her in the description for you to find her. She's a lovely lady. You'll really like her. She is blind, and she does a lot of shopping and hauls, and she does some beauty things. She does Mass Mondays, and she's just very inspirational. She tells some of her story about how her life, you know, she was just, things were very dark, and she had to make a decision to do better for herself because she was depressed over her illness, her sickness and stuff. So go see her. I think you'll really like her. And go see the other ladies. Kim's a little of a lot. I'll put everybody in the description. And Tea Time Adventures and Kim's Happy Place and Janelle Naylor, Beauty in Blindness. So we all ran this giveaway for 2 weeks. So I'm not sure each day, I'm not sure when everybody's going to end theirs. I'm ending mine in my Mass Monday. I think Kim's Happy Place is ending hers in her Mass Monday. Maybe not. I don't remember. So just if you entered each one, then go see when they end theirs, because I don't know. But when you get this from one of the boxes, which I did from Boxycharm, there's 5 in the box. So I used one, and Janelle won another one. So I am going to give away another one. And I do have the winner for this. It's Deborah Williams, and she's going to win this. And I may throw in another mask or 2. It's not going to be 5 masks though, Deborah. But y'all need to get with me. The winners need to get with me. And please congratulate everybody below y'all. And I'm going to let this set a while. So I am, let's see what it says. Let it sit for 20 minutes. And then massage the remaining serum. It feels really good, y'all. Like I said, it's odd. The package does not have any name brand on it that I can find at all. So, but it's cute. It's cute. I love snowmen. So there I am. Anyway, y'all, thanks so much for stopping by. Count your blessings and take care of yourself today, okay? All right, bye-bye.